What's the meaning of acceleration? Acceleration. 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 Acceleration is the rate of change of velocity. It is a vector quantity, meaning it has both magnitude and direction. The magnitude of acceleration is the change in velocity divided by the time it takes for the change to occur. The direction of acceleration is the same as the direction of the change in velocity. Acceleration can be caused by a number of factors, including a change in the force acting on an object, a change in the mass of an object, or a change in the direction of motion of an object. The results of acceleration can be varied. For example, an object that is accelerating will change its speed, direction, or both. The magnitude of the acceleration will determine how much the object's speed or direction changes.